Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mass, and today, as you can see, I'm not in my basement. I'm actually at Panther Hobbies, which is a somewhat local hobby shop for me. And today I'm going to pick up a new car and maybe some other little things for the track. Let's go inside and see what I find. Almost forgot to put my mask on. Still getting used to this, wearing these everywhere, but it is what it is. Safety first.
So I've been coming to Panther Hobbies for a while, and they have a great selection of Carrera Digital 132 scale, as you can see from this wall. They also have a bunch of 124 scales, analogs, also scale electrics, and a few other things here and there. Their main focus is Carrera, as you can see. And yeah, they also have a lot of sets. It's a great location here in the city. So yeah, here's some of the analogs, a couple more of the sets, some spare parts in the back there. And there's the 124 on the bottom. A lot of track pieces and digital pieces and scenery. Like I said, a great selection here. And the prices are very competitive. On this side here, there's all the scenic stuff where I get most of the trees and gravel and stuff like that. Doing a quick scan here. There's all the trees and stuff like that. And this is one of the things I came in for, was some more gravel for the track, which I'm gonna find here in a second. Come on, Mass. Come on. Not that one. Nope. 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 Go back. Go back. No. Up. Yes. Thank you.
Alright, so I'm heading home already, as you can see, from Panther Hobbies. So I guess once I get home, we'll reconvene and we'll go through what I picked up.
And we're back at the track now, in my basement, with my bag of goodies that I got from Panther Hobbies. Let's open this up and show you what I got today. So I went in there today just planning on getting a car and some gravel that you probably saw from my in-store quick clip that I took. So I got some more gravel for the track. And I also picked up a new GT3 car, the BMW Z4. And I caved while I was there and got a second car. Another Ferrari 488 GT3. So 2 GT3 cars today. Alright, now I'm going to unbox both these cars, do a quick overview of both, and I'll also probably throw this gravel around the track. Why not? Let's get to it. So here's your box. It's your standard Carrera Digital 132 box with your spare guide and brushes in the back with some instructions and whatnot. That's the box. And here's the car itself. Very beautiful German color scheme. Dunlop is the main sponsor from the looks of it. Very nice detailing as always from Carrera. And this exact one is the Walkenhurst Motorsports number 125, obviously. Very nice GT3 car. So this is the box. Again, your standard Carrera box. Just the only difference is with the Ferrari licensed vehicles, they all come with this extra sleeve on them, which is a nice touch. And here's the Ferrari 488 GT3 WTM Racing number 22. Again, a nice color scheme on this one. This chrome, gold chrome finish on it. A nice addition to my collection here. I've been thinking of maybe getting a bunch of the 488s and doing like a 488 class of like 4 to 6 cars, but we'll see. I think I'm going to mainly focus on the GT3 cars for now. As much as I like the DTMs, I already have a bunch of F1s, so yeah, nice. So a little side thing here. I went to my dollar store and picked up one of these, which is perfect for when a car is off track on the other side and you can't reach in. If it's only 2 of you playing, you reach over the other side of the track, grab your car like this, like I showed you, and bring it over back to your side. It's been a pain when it's just me and one other person playing and no one's on the other side of the table. You can't reach the car, you gotta stop, run over. At least now this should cut the time a little bit. This is like $2, so I've seen other people use it on their tracks, which is, I'm not gonna take credit for it. Other people have done it. It's honestly really smart for $2. If you're planning on running a league or whatever the case is, look into getting these. It's very inexpensive and totally worth it.
Do you know what time it is? It's cinematic time.
So we reached that point of the video, Mass's 2 cents. And my 2 cents on this BMW Z4 is that these mirrors come off really easy. I know they're made to come off and it's a nice design that Carrera makes, that the wings and mirrors come off for collisions to avoid making permanent damage on these cars. But I personally always remove my mirrors and most of the wings when I run these cars. And I suggest you do the same if you plan on displaying them. If you don't care, then it is what it is.
Just my 2 cents. So that's going to wrap it up for today. I'm going to prep these two cars, and we'll run them in my next video to see which one's quicker. The BMW Z4, the Ferrari 488. Which one do you think is going to be quicker? Comment below, let me know what you think. That video will be dropping soon. Let's see which one's better out of the box. So that's going to be it for this video. I'll leave you with me throwing some gravel on the track. Catch you soon.